This is a primary school and even the junior secondary school in one of the states in northeast Nigeria. Okay, it may interest to know that this is the GS1 class. Am I right?
Yes.
This is GS1 class, and then this is what? Primary what? This is primary 4 and 5.
You see here, Abia has been enjoying 1 year dividends of democracy under the supervision of Alex Otti as the governor of the state. You want to use only 1 day, less than 24 hours to spoil the whole show. This is the reason why some of my people don't want to become or identify as Igbo. Because when they say they're Igbo, you people start calling them Biafra. Even right now that I'm talking about being Igbo from Delta, a lot of people on the outside are already painting me Biafra already, painting me IPOB, calling me terrorist. Say that is what I'm fighting for. That we are all Igbo doesn't mean that everybody will believe the same thing or practice the same thing. Those that are equated as saying they are not Igbo, they are Igbo, but they have diverse dialect. Everybody cannot believe the same thing. You don't force people on the ideology of the belief. You let them, you convince them. People think that I'm the one forcing people to be Igbo. No, I'm the one convincing you to be Igbo. But what you people are doing now is forcing people to become Biafra with gun and machetes. They will come to my page and tell me, you are not talking about Biafra, we are not talking about Nnamdi Kanu, we are not taking it serious. My brother, there are 1 million Igbos with Nnamdi Kanu picture in their Facebook profile pictures. If 100,000 of the Igbos who have IPOB or Martin Nnamdi Kanu as their profile picture are posting daily for the last 1 year about the release of Nnamdi Kanu, do you know what it means to have 100,000 videos on internet constantly for the last 1 year? It would have become a revolution. But you are looking for somebody to help you do it. I am the one who keeps saying that Igbos are not the problem of Nigeria, but Igbos are the problem of Igbo nation. Even though I don't talk about Biafra, what I made yesterday in my page alone, none of you who are shouting Biafra can make such a post. None of you even know the truth or the stories that I create on the Biafra hero days. But again, we need to take some positive parts out of it. I've told you people that Igbos are the ones who are more united than every other part of Nigeria. The problem we have that we don't even understand English usage and application. So some people are conniving to do evil. We say they are united. The North will support people who are doing evil, and we are saying they are united. The reason why people keep saying the Igbos are not united because we don't support who do evil among us. I'm the one now speaking against my brothers. Who did something in Abia? If Okada man jam somebody in the North here, the Okada people will rally around to support him because they're their own. That is why I say the Northerners are not united. They are connivers. That's how they connive to support politicians who are bad. See what they are posting on a day, only the day that we are remembering those who died innocently, the genocide committed against us. See what somebody is posting. Despite all the leadership, despite all the presidency, despite all the position occupied in the North, see a school in the North. See the school that is still in the Northeast. For those who want to go to school, they don't even have a building, they don't even have a chair, they don't even have a teacher. How would they learn? How would they know what is happening in the world? How would they even know the truth? And these people now will be convinced to connive and support another politicians who keep doing evil against them, not even against us. It's high time you start doing right. I've said it time without numbers. That you are outside not playing politics will not give you Biafra. It's high time you understand these tricks. The forces you are using will not give it to you. Nobody will wake up in the morning and give you a referendum. The first ever state created in Nigeria out of referendum is because somebody is in the system playing the politics. Michael Okpara was leading the party, and Osadenis was leading the group. They went around the whole places politically. Dr. Ogbonna was inside the system. That is why they were able to push the narrative for them to give them referendum. Nobody in the National Assembly, State Officers Assembly, or even House of Rep is representing the IPOB or the Biafrans. So how would they talk about you and give you referendum? I've said it time without number. If there's a member of Biafra that is a governor or a senator, it will be easier to be pushing the agenda politically. Buhari said it, that if they want to get Biafra, they will come politically, not by force. In the 21st century, you must join the system. That's why Peter Obi can even get what he's looking for than people seeking for Biafra agitation. Peter Obi can become president of Biafra because in the system, than you fighting. You people don't want to learn this truth. If truly you want Biafra, there is a better way you can play it. It's going to take you time. Join politics, and even as you are waiting for Biafra, you have to start building your own cities. All of you will be folding hand until they give us Biafra before we invest. Until they give us Biafra before we invest. The one man is doing, you are spoiling it. That is why they are laughing at you people that you are not developing your place. You are saying if you do it, Nigerian government will spoil it. Are you not the one spoiling your system now? I'm out of here, Joe.